How to recover a deleted TikTok account in 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from AppGuide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually recover a deleted TikTok account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is simply make sure to update the TikTok app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated TikTok, I'm going to open it. Now let's say that you have actually deleted a particular account on TikTok, and now you want to actually get it back again and you want to recover that account. First of all, what you have to simply understand is that if it has been over 30 days period of time that you deleted your TikTok account, there is no way you could actually recover it. TikTok has a limitations that if you delete your account and within 30 days if you try to log in, it will give you an option to recover it. So if you've actually just recently deleted your account maybe 2 to 3 weeks ago, then you can go ahead and recover it. But if it has exceeded that 30 days limit, then there is no way you could recover. So what I'm going to do is simply check that out by tapping on the login button right over here. As you tap on the login button here, you want to simply select the account which you want to recover. So you could also go ahead and enter the email, username or password of the account that you're actually trying to recover. Once you actually try to recover that account, it is going to basically ask you a confirmation with a pop-up. So let's say what it will actually say me. You can see there it says reactivate your TikTok account. Your account is currently under deactivation, which means I scheduled for deletion. If you want to cancel deactivation and recover the account, please tap reactivate below. Please note you will need to log in the account again after cancelling deactivation, and it may take a few moments for an account to be fully activated. So what you have to do is at the bottom, you want to tap on the reactivate button. As you tap on the reactivate button, you can see there it says welcome back. Now it may actually take some time to load your account fully, such as all of your data and so on. So you want to be aware of that, and basically this is it. You simply have to log in and it will ask you for a confirmation. You need to confirm and tap the reactivate button in order to recover your deleted account on TikTok. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.